as you evolve into something like a governance and compliance program, you may choose to start to empower your owners to keep that cleanup ongoing, because as we all know, when we do a tidy up, we can do it once, but then that place will get dirty and messy again. And so ongoing governance is a really important challenge. And so these owner-based reports give you an additional level of capability. So this is logged in as a different user into the audit app, and you can see that my experience is very different. I'm seeing a lot less reports. That's limited to me in terms of my permissions. And actually, one of the things you'll notice here is I only see these reports which are called by owner report. And that means that I'm only running it in the context of me as a user. So I'm running the sharing links report to say, show me all the sharing links in the teams I own, show me the guest users in the teams I own, show me the storage in the sites and teams which I own. So this is sort of an evolution of what you would do around an audit.